Namaste everyone, thank you so much for clicking in, and today we are joined by Mr. Vishal Kotian. He is a proud owner of a customized Swift. To say the least, we started out on a wrong foot, but then as Shah Rukh Khan says, picture खत्म होते होते सब अच्छा ही हो जाता है, and his car is finally complete and it is with him. And I would like to request Mr. Vishal to tell something about his experience with us.
Hi friends, very good morning. It was nice work having my car modified with Mr. Shiv Vinay Kapoor, and the car which was modified, it's basically a pride for me right now with my initials, which I was surprised when I seen the car. And the team of Mr. Vinay Kapoor is damn excellent. It has a good teamwork. They are basically passionate for cars. There are many different teams, different this car paint who deals with, but this team is having passionate for cars. They have a good passion for cars. They basically love cars, and their staff also is very helpful, like Mr. Nishant Cheda and Mr. Sushil, who also helped me out on this scenario. And it was a big surprise for my mom. And this car is basically for my mom. It was a big surprise for her also. I think my brother would say something, Mr. Mehul.
Secondly, I would like to add that our family, my brother, my parents have all been involved in this process, the design, the paint, the color, and we are very grateful and thankful to Mr. Vinay for helping us in and guiding us through this process. He has been a sport in this, and we can see the passion that he has for cars, and we are very thankful that he has guided us through. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Actually, the thing happens is that we had made a customized Swift. The link is on the I button right now. So he wanted to make his car on that fashion, but then I said कि यार वो तो already हो चुका है. So why not to try a different design? And so we decided to put his initials on the car and to give it a different design. So without wasting time, I'll just show you the vehicle.
I'm staying up. I'm wilding out. I'm leaning in. I'm leaning in. Pushing off my sneakers to the ground. I do not jump, I move the earth down. Bear witness to the genius of my sound. Born at the bottom, but now I'm top down. Look, I'ma call it swagger. I slip through time zones like a cloak and dagger. Mad rubies on my chain. You can see your name bubbling, blood vein. Your girls in my...
दोस्तों अगर आप मेरा चैनल फॉलो करते हैं एंड इफ़ यू आर अ रेगुलर व्यूअर तो जो इससे पहले मैंने वीडियो अपलोड करी थी ही मिस्टर विशाल वांटेड हिज कार इन दैट एग्जैक्ट मैनर but then I thought the whole purpose of a custom car is defeated when there are two similar looking cars on the road. So I suggested him to try out a different design, but he really wanted to stick to the blue, black and silver color combination. With that said, ये जो आप गाड़ी पर ग्राफिक्स का काम देख रहे हैं ये एक्चुअली ग्राफिक्स थे या विनाइल नहीं, ये एक प्रॉपर पेंट जॉब है. द बेसिक आइडिया बिहाइंड दिस पेंट जॉब was to make the car stand out from the crowd, and I think it has pretty much accomplished it. I mean, it might mean different things to different people. Something that is appealing to me might not be appealing to someone else, but then that is the whole idea about custom cars. It has to be according to your specification and to your personality, and this is what Mr. Vishal wanted when I described the design to him. Starting with the front bumper, the lower portion has been painted black and the fog lamp brazil has been painted in ignis blue color along with the lower grille. I mean, you can imagine the time it takes to paint such small pieces on the car. On the hood, the Suzuki emblem has been written, and this is a very controversial thing. Some might like it, some might not, but I personally quite like it. On the top left portion of the bonnet, the stripes has been painted in blue, black and grey.
This is where I get real quick. Nucks deeper than the sea where the water is thick. Darkness falls, but I will rise. Follow in my wake or avert your eyes. History told by those who win wars.
This time around I have done something different with the wheel caps. Rather than painting it full black, I have left the border and the mid cap body color, and the rest I have painted in black color, and at a glance it is giving the effect of alloy wheels from a distance, and I personally quite like it. On the fender, the same grey and blue story continues, which leads to a huge black stripe, and if you look closely you will notice that this car doesn't have front mud flaps. On both the front doors we have painted the initials of Mr. Vishal, and this is the best feature according to him on his car. On the rear door these two stripes has been painted, which I saw on a Dodge Charger, and I really thought that it would look great on this car. On the rear quarter panel, the same front fender design has been replicated, but this time the grey is on top and the blue is on the bottom. At the rear bumper, the blue mud flaps has been added. On the boot, it's the return of the Ignis blue and grey, and the huge monogram belongs to the Baleno along with the Swift monogram. The number plate insert has been painted in grey color along with some striping on the rear bottom of the bumper. The roof has been painted in CS gloss black color and it is tapered from the end along with the addition of a blue spoiler. The top portion of the ORVM has been done in blue. The interior has been kept simple with the black and silver seat cover that perfectly complements the black and silver in the interior. दोस्तों हमेशा की तरह वीडियो अपलोड करने से पहले मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पेज पे इस गाड़ी की कुछ पिक्चरें अपलोड की थी, एंड if you want the real time update you can follow me on my Instagram. The handle would be appearing on the screen right now along with my Facebook page, so do check them out. और एक बात दोस्तों जो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा वो ये है कि इस सब मॉडिफिकेशन से गाड़ी की वारंटी लैप्स नहीं होगी. द वारंटी ऑफ द व्हीकल वुड नॉट बी voided by such modification. So guys, that was the car. I hope you liked it. We enjoyed building it. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please vote it down. But subscribe to आपको. That is mandatory. Like you have to subscribe. At least subscribe for Swift if you love Swift. And as always, this is Vinay signing off. Never stop dreaming. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
You can hear my screeching tired till the moment I retire, but I'm still so young, so I gotta go hard. This is I should stop having 16 bars. I'm staying up, I'm wilding out, I'm leaning in, I'm leaning in. Pushing off my sneakers to the ground, I do not jump, I move the earth down. Bear witness to the genius of my sound. Born at the bottom, but now I'm top down. Holy on the mic when I spit, call me father. Spirit of the king, I take like Marauder.